Today we're going to talk about something that I'm sure interests everyone: how to achieve financial success. Yes, today I'm going to share with you the revealed secrets and the 12 keys to achieving financial success according to the book The Art of Making Money. If you're here, you're part of the 1% who are willing to change their lives. So, if you want to improve your relationship with money and learn to manage it better, this video is for you. And believe me, I've also had financial ups and downs, so I know exactly how it feels. Key 1. Change your mindset about money. Did you know that the way you think and feel about money can have a huge impact on your financial life? It's true. Before diving into the deep waters of personal finance, you need to change the way you view money. Why? Because if you always think that money is bad or that it is the root of all evil, you'll find yourself in constant conflict. You need to see money as a tool to build your life, to achieve your goals, and to realize your dreams. Think about this: if you've always thought that money is bad, how would you feel about earning more money? You'd probably feel guilty or uncomfortable. But imagine this instead: you see money as a powerful tool that you can use to improve your life and the lives of others. That's the mindset you need to adopt. Changing your mindset isn't easy, I know. But it's the crucial first step towards financial success. When you change the way you view money, you change the way you interact with it. You become more mindful of your spending, smarter in your investments, and more generous with your wealth. It's a change worth making. So, how do you currently feel about money? Do you think those beliefs are helping or hindering you? And most importantly, are you ready to change your mindset and open yourself up to new possibilities? I used to have a negative mindset about money too. But when I started seeing it as a tool, everything changed. I started learning more and making better financial decisions. Try to see money from a positive perspective and you'll see the difference. Key 2. Set clear financial goals. Now that you've changed your mindset about money, it's time to set some clear financial goals. Why? Because without goals, you're sailing the financial sea without a fixed course. You need to know where you're going and how to get there. And that's exactly what financial goals do. Let's say you want to buy a house in the next 5 years. That's a clear and specific financial goal. But it's not enough to just say, I want to buy a house. You need to be even more specific. How much money do you need for the down payment? How much can you save each month to reach that goal? Financial goals give you purpose and direction. They help you stay focused and motivated, even when things get tough. Plus, they allow you to measure your progress over time and adjust your strategy if needed. What are your short, medium, and long-term financial goals? Are they specific and measurable? What steps do you need to take to reach those goals? When I set clear goals, like saving for an emergency fund or investing for my retirement, it was much easier to stay focused and motivated. Write down your goals and place them somewhere visible. Review your goals regularly and adjust as necessary. Key 3. Learn to budget. If you've ever reached the end of the month wondering where all your money went, you need to learn to budget. Budgeting is like mapping out your money. It helps you allocate your income to different categories like food, housing, transportation, and entertainment, so you know exactly where every dollar is going. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. By budgeting, you decide that you'll allocate $1,000 for housing expenses, $500 for food, $300 for transportation, $200 for entertainment, and $1,000 for savings and investments. At the end of the month, you'll know exactly how much you spent in each category and if you stayed within your budget. Budgeting helps you control your spending and avoid wasting money on unnecessary things. Plus, it gives you a clear picture of your financial situation and allows you to identify areas where you can cut expenses and increase your saving capacity. Do you have a monthly budget? Do you stick to it? How could you improve your budget to optimize your finances? I used to spend recklessly until I started budgeting. Now I know exactly where every dollar goes. Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to get started. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Key 4. Save before spending. Saving before spending is like putting on a seatbelt before driving. It protects you from financial emergencies and gives you peace of mind. Instead of spending all your money and then trying to save what's left, you pay yourself first. Imagine you receive your paycheck and the first thing you do is set aside a percentage for your savings account. Let's say you decide to save 10% of your salary each month. That means, before spending a single cent on things like food, transportation, or entertainment, you make sure that a portion of your money is earmarked for saving. By prioritizing saving, you ensure that you're always building a financial cushion. Plus, it helps you live within your means and avoid going into debt to cover unplanned expenses. It's a simple but powerful strategy that can make a big difference in your financial life. Do you save regularly or only what's left at the end of the month? What percentage of your income do you allocate to savings? How could you increase your savings rate? At first, saving was challenging for me, but setting up automatic transfers helped a lot. Start with a small percentage and gradually increase it over time. Automate your savings to make it easier and consistent. You'll see how your savings account grows gradually and how you feel more financially secure. Key 5. Invest in yourself. Have you ever heard the saying, education is the best investment? Well, it's true. Investing in yourself is one of the best decisions you can make in life. It means spending time and resources on your education and personal development. Imagine you decide to take an online course on leadership skills, or that you enroll in cooking classes to learn how to prepare healthy meals at home. These are ways of investing in yourself. You're acquiring new knowledge and skills that can open doors for you in the future. Investing in yourself allows you to grow as a person and as a professional. It makes you more valuable in the job market and provides you with new opportunities for growth and development. Plus, it gives you a sense of accomplishment and personal satisfaction that is priceless. What are you currently doing to improve your knowledge and skills? What's your personal and professional development plan? I'm always looking for ways to invest in myself. Whether it's taking online courses, reading books, or attending conferences, I'm always seeking opportunities to grow and learn. Find something you're passionate about and dedicate time and effort to developing yourself in that area. You'll see how your investment pays off in the form of new opportunities and enriching experiences. Key 6. Eliminate debt. Debt can be like a weight on your shoulders. It prevents you from moving forward and keeps you trapped in a cycle of endless payments. But all is not lost. You can get out of debt if you set your mind to it. Let's say you have a $5,000 credit card debt with a 20% interest rate. Every month, you pay the minimum required, but the balance barely decreases. This is what's called being stuck in the debt cycle. Debt can be a significant financial and emotional burden, but eliminating it gives you a sense of freedom and relief that is priceless. It allows you to take control of your finances and start building wealth instead of paying interest. How much do you currently owe? Do you have a plan to pay off those debts? Are you willing to make the necessary sacrifices to free yourself from debt? I, too, was once trapped in debt, but I decided to take action and get out of that situation. I created a repayment plan, cut my expenses to the bare minimum, and increased my income by seeking additional work. It was a challenging journey, but it was worth it. If you're in debt, don't despair. With determination and a solid plan, you can free yourself from it and start building a solid financial future. Key 7. Invest your money. If you want to make your money work for you, you need to learn how to invest. Investing is like planting a seed. If you do it right, you can reap great rewards in the future. Let's say you decide to invest in the stock market. You buy shares of a company you believe will perform well in the future. Over time, those shares increase in value, and you make a profit. Investing is key to building long-term wealth. Although it involves risks, it also offers great rewards. The trick is to educate yourself, diversify your portfolio, and have a long-term investment horizon. Are you currently investing? If not, what's holding you back? What steps do you need to take to start investing? I started investing with small amounts and learned along the way. You don't need to be an expert to start. Begin with what you can and gradually increase your investments over time. And remember, the key to success in investing is patience and discipline. Key 8. Protect your assets. When you work hard to build your wealth, the last thing you want is to lose it all due to an unexpected event. That's why it's important to protect your assets. Imagine you invest in a property and don't have home insurance. A fire or a natural disaster could ruin your financial plans overnight. But if you have adequate insurance, you'll be protected against such eventualities. Protecting your assets gives you peace of mind and ensures that you won't lose everything in case of an emergency. It may involve purchasing insurance for your home, your car, your health, and even your life. Do you have adequate insurance to protect yourself and your family? What steps do you need to take to secure your assets? Don't underestimate the importance of insurance. I had an unexpected accident, and thanks to my insurance, I was able to cover all the expenses. Review your policies and make sure you are properly covered. Remember, it's better to be prepared and not need it than to need it and not be prepared. Key 9. Understand taxes. Taxes are an inevitable part of life, but that doesn't mean you have to pay more than necessary. Understanding how taxes work and how you can optimize them is key to maximizing your wealth. Let's say you have the option to contribute to a retirement account with tax benefits. By doing so, you can reduce your tax burden and save more money for the future. Understanding taxes allows you to take advantage of deductions and credits and optimize your finances. It may involve consulting with a tax professional or educating yourself about tax laws and planning strategies. Do you know how taxes affect your finances? Are you taking advantage of all possible deductions? What steps do you need to take to improve your tax situation? Researching taxes helped me save quite a bit of money. Consult with an accountant to maximize your tax benefits. And remember, the money you save on taxes is money you can invest or save to reach your financial goals. Key 10. Develop multiple streams of income. Relying on a single income can be risky in today's world. To ensure your financial stability, it's crucial to diversify your sources of income. In addition to your full-time job, you could consider generating additional income through a side business, investments, or even freelance work. Having multiple streams of income not only provides financial security, but also gives you flexibility and freedom. You can explore different opportunities and not rely entirely on a single source. Are you exploring ways to diversify your income streams? What skills or interests do you have that you could turn into an additional source of income? I started diversifying my income after losing my job. I learned to generate additional income through side activities, providing me with a financial safety net. Explore your passions and skills to find additional income opportunities. You never know where they might lead you. Key 11. Learn to negotiate. The ability to negotiate is invaluable in the world of finance. It allows you to get better deals, increase your income, and advance in your career. Whether negotiating your salary, the price of a major purchase, or the terms of a contract, negotiation skills can make the difference between getting what you want and settling for less. Negotiation is a skill that can be learned and perfected with practice. It involves understanding your own values and goals, as well as understanding the needs and concerns of the other party. Are you comfortable negotiating in different situations? What obstacles do you face when negotiating, and how can you overcome them? Learning to negotiate changed my financial life. From getting better deals on major purchases to negotiating a salary increase, this skill has saved me a lot of money and helped me advance in my career. Practice negotiation in everyday situations and don't underestimate your own value. Key 12. Maintain a positive mindset. A positive mindset is essential for financial success. It helps you stay focused on your goals, overcome challenges, and seize opportunities. Facing financial setbacks can be discouraging, but maintaining a positive attitude allows you to see the silver lining and find creative solutions. The way you think and feel about money can influence your actions and financial results. Cultivating a positive mindset helps you attract success and abundance into your life. How do you handle stress and uncertainty related to money? What strategies do you use to maintain a positive mindset even in difficult times? Maintaining a positive mindset was key to overcoming my own financial challenges. Although things may not always go as planned, remember that every obstacle is an opportunity to grow and learn. Surround yourself with positive people, practice gratitude, and visualize your financial goals with confidence. You have the power to create the financial life you desire. I recommend putting these tips into practice in your daily life and observing how they transform your relationship with money. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on financial success. And now, I invite you to watch the next video where we'll talk about how to achieve your financial goals. See you in the next video.